Yes, ask beta. What do you want? Riti? Riti?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the problem you have?
Next
Yes.
chapter.
Beta, let me start the class. Everything I'll tell you. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
10 a.m. No, timing is 10 a.m.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Mute you. Again, I have to do. तुम हाथ किस लिए उठा रही हो? Good morning, my dear students. All are fine? I hope all are fine. Get ready with your conversation book, pencil, eraser. As before, starting the class, in my videos, I was giving instructions. I am giving you today also. Sit with your pencil, eraser, sharpener, and your rough copy. Okay? So first of all, keep ready all the things. In between, nobody is allowed to go for washroom. I don't want to see any disturbance in the class. Everything you finish and sit for the class. Okay? All are fine? Now, today we are starting our live classes. It's a new thing for you also, for me also, and you are very excited for this. Huh? All are happy? Happy with this arrangement? I am also very happy to see you. When I am teaching, I can see you. And the last, children, at last, 5 or 10 minutes before, I'll give you time. If you have any problem, you can ask. Okay? So first of all, first semester portion is over, finished. Now we have to start second semester portion. So first of all, we will discuss all the chapters of first semester. What are the chapters for second semester? Sorry, not first semester, second semester. Second semester lesson from 8. Today I am going to teach you lesson 8, different directions. Okay? And how many lessons are there for you in second semesters? Second semester, 7 lessons are there. Lesson 8, different directions. Lesson 9, sun, moon and stars. Lesson 10, different seasons. Lesson 11, animal world. Lesson 12, animal calls. Lesson 13, animal homes. See your index. Index page you see in your book. And lesson 14, our country, India. This is your cover page of your book, conversation. See, index. This is called index. All the lesson names are given here. So children, these are the lessons for second semester, lesson 8 to 14. Okay? Now, and I hope all are very happy of this arrangement of the school for live classes. Get ready with your book. Open page number 16. First of all, we will do the reading of the lesson. As before, we were reading lesson twice. This is your conversation. You should know first how to read these lines and how to speak. So, open page 16. We will do reading of this lesson twice. All are get ready with page 16. All have opened that page. Lesson 8, different directions. Teacher. Read. All of you put finger and read the book. Don't look at me. Read your book. Put finger there and read with me. Okay? Teacher, what are the 4 major directions? Student. Sorry. Student, the 4 major directions are east, west, north and south. These are the names of 4 directions: east, west, north, south. Teacher, do we use our hands to show the directions? Student, yes, we use our hands to show the directions. Children, put finger and read. Sit properly first and read it. Yes, we use our hands to show the directions. Teacher, if you face the rising sun, in which direction will your face be? Student, if we face the rising sun, our face will be in the east direction. If you stand in front of the sun, your face will be in the east direction. Now come on page number 17. See page 17. Teacher, if you face the rising sun, in which direction will your back be? Front or back? Okay. Student, if we face the rising sun, our back will be in the west direction. East, west. Back is the west. Teacher, if you face the rising sun, where would the north direction be? Student, if we face the rising sun, the north direction would be our left hand side. Left, right. Okay. Teacher, if you face the rising sun, where would the south direction be? Student, if we face the rising sun, the south direction would be to our right hand side. Now, I'll draw a small diagram of the direction to tell you the 4 important directions. Okay. First you see this, okay? Let me draw. These are the 4 directions: east, west, north, south. Okay. Then northeast. N E N W N E N W. I will tell you. I will give you the full form. First, you see this. This is clear. North, south, west, east, or east, west, north, south. What is this? N-E. What do you understand by N-E and N-W? North, east, north, west. Good. Then what is this S-E and S-W? It is southeast or southwest. So, directions. These are the different directions. East, west, north, south, northwest, northeast, southwest, southeast. Now children, do this reading again. After reading, I'll explain you more. Okay? Do this reading again. Teacher, what are the 4 major directions? I'm reading for you to make you sure how to read and pronounce the words in a proper way. When you do reading, you will understand everything easily. What are the 4 major directions? Student, the 4 major directions are east, west, north, south. Teacher, do we use our hands to show the directions? Student, yes, we use our hands to show the directions. In this way and in this way. We use our hands to show the directions. As I draw for you, no? Teacher, if you face the rising sun, in which direction your face be? Student, if we face the rising sun, our face will be in the east direction. Our face will be in the east direction. Teacher, if you face the rising sun, in which direction will your back be? In front, it is east, and back, east, west. If we face the rising sun, our back will be in the west direction. Teacher, if you face the rising sun, where would the north direction be? Where would the north direction be? Student, if we face the rising sun, the north direction would be to our left hand side. Would be to our left hand side. See. Teacher, if you face the rising sun, where would the south direction be? Student, if we face the rising sun, the south direction would be to our right hand side. Now reading part of the book is over. Okay. Where does the sun rise? The sun rises in the east. Where does the sun set? The sun sets in the west. Now, how many directions are there? There are 4 directions. Some of the points, children, you know. Okay? If anybody asks this question to you, how many directions are there? What will you answer? Don't give answer directly in this way, in the short form, 4 directions. Don't answer in this way. You have to answer fully, in full sentence. There are 4 directions. Their names are east, west, north, south. What are the names of these 4 directions? East, west, north, south. What does it mean when someone says you direction? Have direction. If you say that someone has a sense of direction, what is the sense of direction? Directions means, do you know? In Hindi, disha. Direction means any direction. Disha. You mean that they seem to have clear ideas about what they want to do or achieve. Direction. You set your work, set your thinking, everything is in set way. In the right direction, you have set everything and you will go there. You will reach to your goal. Okay? You will do your work in your set time. Whatever the timing you set. This is called direction. आपने अपना कुछ भी fix किया हुआ है. You have fixed something. That I have to do this work in this direction, this time. As your timetable is set, no? Your class timetable, you got one day before that this time your first period will be taken. This is the timing for your second period. This is the timing for your third period. Do you remember what are the timings of your classes? Your very first period timing is 7:30 to 8:15. Then your second period timing is 8:45 to 9:30. And your third period timing is 10 a.m. to 10:45 a.m. This is third period, no? I'm taking conversation. Moral science also I'm taking in third period. Wednesday you have your grammar period. Very first period you have 7:30 to 8:15. And Thursday also you have your grammar period. Second period 8:45 to 9. So everything is set, no? You set your direction that this is the timing of my second period. This is the timing of my third period. Directions are not only called these four names: east, west, north, south. Okay. Then anything you want to ask to me regarding your lesson? I hope today's class all are enjoying. This is your minor period. If you want, this is your conversation period. If you want to ask anything, want to talk me, can. Raise your hand, then I'll talk to you. Some children are there continuously listening me very nicely, reading the book also, but some are not doing. Some are not reading. Did you draw this in your rough copy? This I have drawn for you. I have drawn here. This, did you draw this in your rough copy? So draw it. First draw a straight line, then west and east, then cross from two sides. Write this: northwest, northeast, southwest, southeast. If you are willing, you can draw. Anything, children? Now we have done the reading. Everything is finished. And one more important thing I want to share with you: to follow the COVID protocols. Children, please don't go out. Don't go anywhere. Don't go to play in the public places. This third variant is very dangerous for us. So please take care of yourself. Avoid to go in crowd. Crowd means bheed, in mob. Okay? Only you sit in your home, learn everything, read everything, whatever the teachers are teaching. Don't go to play in the park. Play inside. Indoor games you play. Don't play outdoor games. Don't go out. Okay. Wash your hands properly. You know very well how to wash hands. All the ways. You know, no? You know the way how to wash the hands. Use sanitizer always. Wear mask. If you are going near the gate also, wear mask. It is compulsory and must for you. You have to follow these things. This third variant is very dangerous for all, especially for you kids. You are very small. You are not aware about these things. If anybody, anyone is suffering with coughing, sneezing near to you, don't go near to that person or child or whoever. When you wear mask, you can protect yourself. If anybody is sneezing or coughing. So these some of the points of COVID protocol just I want to discuss with you. Social distancing, maintain social distancing. Anybody comes to meet you, you stand from that person or that child little far and talk. Ask anything? Anurag, do you want to ask anything? Do you want to ask anything, Anurag? Your voice is not coming. Unmute yourself and speak. You don't want to talk to your teacher. Moaz,
Yes, ma'am.
do you want to ask anything?
No, ma'am.
Nothing.
No, ma'am.
Enjoyed your class today?
Yes, ma'am.
Happy?
Yes, ma'am.
Aradhya? Aradhya?
Yes, ma'am.
आपको कुछ पूछना है बेटा? Do you want to ask anything?
No, ma'am.
No. No doubt you have, no? Everything you understood clearly? Swastika? Swastika, how are you, beta? First you unmute yourself, then speak.
No, ma'am.
Nothing. How are you now?
No, ma'am.
How are you? I'm asking. आप कैसे हो? Answer me.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I'm going to wind up my class today. No one is asking anything, and whatever I have to teach, I taught you. Everything is finished. We had done readings. We have done toys. Now we will meet on Wednesday in our grammar period. Bye-bye. Bye to your teacher. Bye-bye. Now we will meet on Wednesday, okay?